Hardwood floors can change the whole design and style of any room. Aside from their stunning appearance to long-lasting durability, hardwood floors have so many benefits.
Well, hardwood floors are very durable and versatile. A solid hardwood floor can withstand 7 or 8 sandings throughout its life. And if properly refinished, you can get probably 10 or 15 years between sandings. So a wood floor is a 100-year proposition. Wood floors are a capital improvement to any home. With an array of different species, stain colors, and finishes to choose from, we can change the look of any room. With borders, inlays, and feature strips, we can define an area, or with medallions, we can create focal points. The possibilities for wood floors are endless.
Since 1927, Duffy Floors Frank H. Duffy Inc. has served the greater Boston community. In that time, they've learned a thing or two.
Well, Frank Duffy, my grandfather, started the company in 1927. We remain a family-owned business with 3 generations of expertise in the wood flooring industry. Our experience in wood flooring is unsurpassed. Having completed thousands of jobs over the years, we know what to expect from floors that are hidden under carpets or tile. We are experienced in the repair of wood floors and subfloors. Our company installs traditional strip floors, plank, border patterns, inlays, feature strips, and medallions to enhance the look of any room. We pride ourselves in saving old floors, recreating the parquet patterns and the inlays of the early 1900s. We can take the red out of your Brazilian cherry or make your white oak a midnight blue. There are endless possibilities with the species of wood harvested from around the world. From northern oak to southern yellow pine to Brazilian cherry to African sapelli, the species have many different grain patterns and colors to choose from.
Proper procedure and maintenance is necessary for the longevity of all hardwood flooring.
Well, I was brought up with my grandfather and my uncle in the business, and we strive to use the best possible products available and tried and true procedures to get the best results out of every floor we do. We use reputable products in the industry that we have tested over many years to find out how they work. We develop our own methods and our own formulas to enhance that and to get the desired look of what the customer wants in color and tone and species of the hardwood floors.
The process of bringing this home back to its original grandeur was an act of love. Some of the details were here and some of the details were in poor condition. There were remnants of the floors, patches. So we had a template to go with. Chris was amazing. Duffy Floors would take that sample and be able to go and actually find the original woods that made up the original flooring. And then they came and constructed the floors. It was like watching artists creating and painting. They just slowly built these floors back to match the original floors. Duffy Floors was an amazing company to work with. They were always on time. His team was spectacular. The quality of the job was exceptional. Anytime we entertain in the home, the first and primary thing everyone talks about are the floors of our home.
From classic to salvage to new designs and styles, Duffy Floors is up to date on all the trends within the flooring industry.
As we move into the future, we identify the ever-changing design looks and colors and tones of wood floors. We've been working on getting the red out of Brazilian cherry for the past 10 years and have developed a process that works. We can go darker with our 2-part staining process or lighten the floors with our bleaching process. We also offer consulting services on this process. Going forward into our 96th year, we will continue to service our area as well as our consulting services that are used across the country and across the world to share our experiences and knowledge with others.
To find out more about Duffy Floors, visit duffyfloors.com and designingspaces.tv.